Hello YouTube, Rubik's here, and in this video we will be sketching a cube, well, solving a cube one-handed. It's pretty easy, right? Anybody can do it. Alright, let's get started. Alright, now that we scrambled the cube, let's get started with the solve. And the sketch. Alright, so so basically I'm sketching a 3x3 here. It just has to be a cube, right? So I'm getting faster at this already, you see? Sketching is not something that pairs well with this, but you know, nothing will go wrong. Alright, so I have the first side of the sketch done, and I forgot what I was doing. Oh, okay, there we go. So, and then we have F2 almost done, so let's just take a second to draw the logo real fast. Rubik. Alright, now that we did that, we can continue OH. So we got F2 all done, and then let's start with making the drawing 3D. Alright, so right, now that we did that, we can do the top side of the cube in the drawing. Right, so the top side is done. Now we can start with the right side, and then we can add the lines over there, and then we can continue this. And then we can add shading. What am I doing to solve? Oh, I keep forgetting what I'm doing on the solve because I get distracted by sketching. Alright, so let's get PL done, or OL, not PL, and move on to PL. Beginners, of course. Alright, and then oh, it's PL that I actually know. Which is great. And I messed up. Maybe not, hold on. Let's just keep trying. And then we got the cube solved, so let's get shading on the drawing. So this would be the red side. So we need a reddish shade. With a pen that's one color, we need to add a reddish shade, of course. And then we have green, which is slightly darker. Alright. So then let's add like a, I don't know, a stand that it's on. Rubik's Cube. Okay, and then let's put that on a table, ground or something. Then let's shade that. Alright, and then let's add a sun in the corner. It's beautiful.